solve. Here we have two equations and two unknown. The best way to solve for this would be probably elimination method or addition method. If I want to use the elimination or addition method, can somebody tell me what would be my first step? If you don't know the first step and no clue, just go ahead, X part of your name. I'm going to ask you the question. If you know, I'd like you to respond. Okay, Lauren says add. Okay, before we add these two, we need to make the coefficient of X or Y opposite of each other. Okay, probably it's easier to make the coefficient of Y opposite of each other, and Samuel says times by -2. Multiply the top row by -2, and yes, that would work. If I multiply the top row by -2, then the first equation returns into -8x minus 4y is equal to -2. And the second equation would be 5x plus 4y equal to 7. So now we have the coefficient of x opposite of each other. So if I simply add these two, what do we get? Minus 3x. As you see, -4y, positive 4y add up to 0 is equal to what? Anybody? 5. Very good. 7 minus 2. So x, what is x is equal to? -5/3. Okay, can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this? It's called solving by addition method. Okay, the next step is to pick either of these two equations and substitute this corresponding value in terms of x. This everywhere you see x, you substitute -5/3, and then you solve for y. Okay. Elizabeth, you said you have to leave because you are doing this from the library. Could you please type your phone number so I can contact you, since you cannot stay? Just type your phone number, so I can, after the session, I would call you. Right, any number that I can reach you. All right. So in this case, we get -20/3 plus 2y equal to 1. So if I add (20) to both sides of the equation, then you can solve for y. Okay, I believe I asked Elizabeth to send the phone number. RO chart, you gave me a phone number. If you already took the test, I don't need to call you unless you want me to call you for any reason. Okay, here the LCD would be 3. So you get 2y is equal to 23/3, and then you multiply both sides by 1/2. So solve for y. Everybody see what we're doing here? So y is equal to 23/6. And this is x minus 5/3. Any question on that?